Cardano just unlocked a real world use case in Europe, which is really amazing because it counters the argument that a lot of Cardano haters make that this is a ghost chain. It has the tech, but it doesn't have adoption or doesn't have use cases. Now, usually when they're referring to adoption and when we refer to adoption, we are talking about decentralized finance. That includes trading, liquidity provision, lending, borrowing, yield farming, etc. But the word adoption is not confined to just these things. It also includes real world adoption, where governments, institutes, cooperatives, enterprises, they use the blockchain technology. Now, they don't create their very own blockchain because it's more costly, it's really difficult to manage. So what they do is they partner with a blockchain, they use their tech. The blockchain benefits because its network activity, it increases. The transactions that happen on the blockchain, it uses the native token as the gas fees. Blockchain in itself, it benefits because of increased network activity. In the same way, Cardano is going to benefit. And I'm going to explain exactly how it will benefit and what we can expect from it. So here's the announcement of this real world use case. Cardano Foundation announced a few days ago that they're partnering with Reef Data, this is from Germany, to record the cooperative payment flows transparently and audibly on Cardano using Reef. Now, Reef is an open source tool that is built on Cardano by Cardano Foundation, and this is built for this very same purpose, to record cooperatives' payment flows transparently and audibly on Cardano. Here's what Reef Data offers. There are strict European laws that says that if a person requests data from a company that the company has of that person, let's say YouTube has my data. YouTube knows my preferences. It knows my subscriptions. It also knows content that I like, the products that I like, and it uses that data to bring tailored advertisements to me. So YouTube has data on me. And according to the European laws, I can request YouTube to send me a copy of that data that it has on me. And YouTube has to provide a copy of it. Now, this is what Reef Data offers. They have this application that we can use, that individuals can use to ask companies for their personal data through the application. Those companies send that information through the Reef Data application. The application converts bulk files into something that a normal person can understand, and then the individual has a copy of all the information that the company has. So now that the individual has all this information, all this data from different companies, now it can choose to sell this data, anonymously, of course. It can sell this data to other companies, which is actually happening, even if the individual is not selling their data. This data that these companies have, they are sold between each other. And that's how they bring advertisements to us. That's how they run their businesses. But as of this moment, it is being done without consent. But according to the new laws, it's making it more and more difficult. So now companies are looking for a reliable, a regulated, and a compliant way to get this data, and they're willing to pay for it. So when users have this data, they can select which data that they are willing to sell to companies. Now, this data, it doesn't contain any confidential things. It turns into something that is anonymous. So it has no link to the actual identity of that person. And then once this data is anonymized, then it is sold to other companies. And those companies pay for this data. And these individuals that sell it receives a share or royalty from it. And this is what Reef Data offers. The last process of this whole transaction is that these individuals and also the auditors, they need to verify that the payment that is coming from those companies, it is fairly shared between these people that are sharing their data. And this is where Cardano comes in and the Reef platform. So using Cardano and the Reef tool, every transaction and the reward, it anchors on Cardano through Reef, where auditors and the community can check it independently. Once these payments, they go through Cardano using Reef, there will be a complete audit trail for it. And it will be done in a format that can be easily understood by a human and also by a machine. And in that way, anyone can verify and check, because everything will be, all this record will be on chain, and it will make it easier for the auditors. This is what Cardano is offering to Reef Data. And this is the real world use case. Now, this is the first use case in this category. If this is successful, we're probably looking at more of these use cases. More companies may line up to use Reef. Now, all these transactions that are recorded on chain, these are transactions on the blockchain, which will increase the network activity. More data will be used for gas fees. And the way that Cardano benefits from all this, first of all, it's about the narrative that we have cooperatives, we have enterprises in Europe that are using Cardano, their blockchain, the settlement layer. They're using it not for DeFi, not for something crypto. They're using it for their real world purposes. And that changes the narrative of Cardano that it does have real world use case. It has real world adoption. Moreover, it will increase the network activity, which is what we are actually looking for. We want more transactions. We want this blockchain, the Cardano blockchain, to process more transactions. And as it processes more transactions, there will be more gas fees that will be paid. So there will be more chain fees, more chain revenue. And eventually we can move forward toward sustainability, where the treasury, where the staking rewards, they don't rely entirely on the token unlocks. And the amazing thing here is that what Cardano offers, it's really difficult for other blockchains to offer this. When we talk about financial records to be processed through Cardano blockchain, they are done in a fashion, they are done in transactions that are deterministic, that are predictable, because in Cardano, the outcomes are predictable, especially because of the UTXO model. We have formal verification. Cardano as a blockchain, it is peer reviewed. It has the highest uptime of all the blockchains. All these records, they're flowing through Cardano. All this data, in a way, it is flowing through Cardano, and it stays and it's stored on Cardano in an auditable fashion, which is really difficult for other blockchains to offer. So we always talked about determinism, predictability, auditability, but there wasn't actually a use case for it. Now we are getting this. And if this is successful, we're probably looking at more of these use cases. They will probably start from Europe, but they can extend towards other countries and other regions as well. So this is why this news is really important. And hopefully it goes successful, and we hopefully, are looking at more of these partnerships, more of these real world adoption. But yeah, this is my take on this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.